called The Bottle. It's about drinking. I used to drink a lot. I still do drink a lot, but I used to also. So. Yeah. Okay. So it's The Bottle. For about $12, we stole our freedom and swaggered like gods. The bottle made us feel big and strong, and sometimes we could forget the empty search for our fathers. We liked to hold it by the neck and take long pulls until it stung our lips and shut our eyes and we burned inside. It hardened us to the killing fields of abandoned parking lots and grimy basements. Under ugly orange street lamps, the bottle became our greatest teacher. I learned to distinguish the dull copper taste of my own blood from the familiar scorch of the poor man's vodka. I learned how to fight and fuck. I learned how to love. Then I learned how to cry. We passed the bottle from hand to hand until we felt like men. Now I'm afraid the bottle has taught me everything, and there's nothing left to learn. The world is bigger and scarier than our parking lots, and I just want to go home. I want to pass this bottle now, but there's no one there to take it.